RNT House by StudioCon Arquitetura in FOZ do Iguaçu, Brazil. Located in the city of FOZ do Iguaçu, Paraná, the residence was designed with thermal and lighting comfort as priorities. The distribution of the spaces was determined by the needs of the clients and by the incidence of solar orientation on the terrain. The main facade is located to the north, where the access road to the garage is located, arranged to mitigate the solar radiation coming from the west facade and increase the thermal inertia of the social space, composed of the hall, living and dining rooms, kitchen, and gourmet area. The social spaces receive natural light through high windows, which are shaded for most of the day by the eaves of the social block's roof. The social and intimate blocks are visually connected by the internal courtyard, where the swimming pool and leisure area are located. The suite and office are opposed to the social area, receiving northern solar exposure. Through computational simulation, the width of the room's marquee was defined, allowing control of summer/winter solar incidence. The gym, next to the suite, was oriented to the west, performing the same function as the garage, but containing translucent glass windows that provide a view of the garden. To shade the space and provide thermal comfort, a tree was planted in front of the glass door. Its position was defined through multi-criteria optimization, which consists of predicting hundreds of positions and defining the most advantageous according to pre-established criteria: distance from the tree to the wall, shadow incidence during the summer, and ideal height and width of the tree. The house has a monitoring system for the energy consumption of all spaces and has temperature and humidity meters that provide data for decisions that maximize energy consumption reduction. The materiality of the building is marked by the use of glued laminated wood and a texture that refers to natural painting. Most of the walls were built with ceramic bricks, but for those that would receive direct sunlight, it was chosen to use autoclaved cellular concrete blocks, aiming to reduce thermal transmission to the interior of the spaces. The exposed concrete front wall, separating the social spaces from the main road, was molded on-site and exposed the naturalness sought in the built aesthetics. The use of molten stone surrounding the barbecue volume, which is sometimes internal and sometimes external, connected to the wooden deck, which invites the extension of the social area to the pool, keeps the user connected to the garden at all times. Both the landscaping and the interiors of the residence play supporting roles in the architecture, which is so striking. The garden is distributed with native vegetation, which has an automatic irrigation system and humidity sensor. The interior design exposes the purity that was sought throughout the entire design and execution process.